So, Windows Report has just dropped a bombshell leak about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 series, and we've got all the juicy details for you. Now, if you've been keeping an eye on the smartphone scene, you'd know that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the talk of the town. Recently, Windows Report got their hands on some official render images and also listed all the key information about the forthcoming Galaxy S24 Trio. Also, the S24 Ultra was recently showcased in an engineering sample format and underwent a comparison with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So it's quite clear that Samsung's S24 series is creating quite a buzz, with a lot happening on multiple fronts. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Contrary to earlier rumors, Windows Report is claiming that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be the powerhouse for both the Galaxy S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24, on the other hand, is set to feature the Exynos 2400. This is a bit of a surprise, as initial speculations hinted at Samsung's in-house chipset taking the reins for the S24 and S24 Plus in certain markets, including Europe. Let's talk design. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are stepping up their game with flatter frames, drawing some inevitable comparisons with recent iPhones. But hold on to your hats. The S24 Ultra is taking it to the next level with a titanium frame, taking a page from Apple's book and its iPhone 15 Pro models. Windows Report spilled the beans on Samsung, dropping the phantom color names for the S24 Ultra and adopting titanium, which will now be accompanied by black, gray, violet, and yellow. And for the regular S24 and S24 Plus, get ready for a burst of colors: amber yellow, cobalt violet, onyx black, and marble gray. It's like Samsung is giving us a smartphone rainbow. Now let's take a look at the cameras. The S24 Ultra is shaking things up with a 50MP and 5x telephoto camera combo, waving goodbye to the 12MP and 10x telephoto setup in its predecessor. Rumor has it that Samsung is gearing up to market these devices as not just smartphones, but as creative powerhouses, offering real-time translations and generative AI for image editing. Now, mark your calendars, everyone. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S24 series on January 17th, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us. Oh, and rumor has it that they might throw in a surprise announcement with the Galaxy Book 4 series. Exciting times ahead, and there you have it, the latest scoop on the Galaxy S24 series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech goodness, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update.